Just look at the packaging, like a black girl with vitiligo. She is such an inclusive babe. I love her for that. I'm so excited because I have a Mallows Beauty mystery box. But yes, all the details are linked, but let's see what I've got. I'm so excited. Mallows Beauty is such an amazing brand. It's female owned, female forward. Like, the owner of the company, honestly, she puts herself out there for the girls. You know, she's inclusive. There's been a lot of talk about inclusivity lately, and she is an inclusive babe who, you know, bears all for the sake of the girls, to let us know that we are beautiful, all of us, as we are. And yeah, we deserve beautiful, wonderful, girly, amazing products. Okay, the first thing we have is a scalp massaging wash brush, I believe. Ooh, this is nice. So this is like a massaging, I think you wash with it. I don't think it's not a hairbrush, or maybe it's like also a scalp massager. But ooh, this is really nice. Okay, and so this next one is a hyaluronic acid body cleanser. Yes, I have been actually wanting this. I was literally actually going to buy one today from Superdrug. I'm so glad I didn't, because now I have this. So you get 6 different mystery items, and if you look, you can see all of the things that you may get. And the next one, ooh, it's a lip scrub. Oh, and it's candy cane. This is part of their new Christmas collection. It's a candy cane. Let me just smell this. Oh my days. Oh, that's gorge. Oh, that smells so nice. And tell you what, winter. Winter and dry lips. Okay, and the next one we have, what do we have here? We have a toasted marshmallow body scrub. Living, yes. I don't have one of their scrubs yet, but I'm super excited about trying this. And this is the toasted marshmallow. Oh my gosh, that is amazing, guys. Wow, that smells divine. And it's so thick. Oh my days, I cannot wait to use this. Oh, oh my gosh. Seriously, their products just smell so freaking good. And the next one, we have a little mini, and this is the shave butter. So I have the unicorn shave butter already. This is the trouble. Oh my gosh, seriously, this is so delectable. Like, they really need the warning not to eat this stuff, because oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this, look at this, how divine. Oh, and the shave butter is amazing, guys. Literally, I don't know if I'll do a video using it, maybe on my legs, but yeah, to stop ingrown hairs, razor bumps, it's a great. Okay. Oh, and then we get a toasted marshmallow shave butter as well. So I now have 3 of their shave butters, which I'm so glad, because honestly, I don't ever want to run out. But yeah, so that is so great that I got the toasted marshmallow as a complete set. So I'm just going to be smelling divine. Oh my gosh, like when you look at it, it looks really airy, but it's dense. It's a very dense cream. So I'm so happy, guys. So yeah, this is no guarantee that if you get the box that you're gonna get the same things as I did. So yes, guys, this is all of the stuff. This is all of the stuff that I got. So yeah, Christmas came early for me. So like, share, and follow football, guys. I'm losing everything. Merry Christmas.